It's time to bust some marketing myths. Myth number 1. Direct mail is outdated. False. Today's mail is personalized, data-driven, and fully integrated into multi-channel campaigns. Myth number 2. Agencies are too expensive. They just burn through your budget. Once again, false. When everything's in-house, creative, data, and production, you save time and money. Myth number 3. One channel is all you need. Your audience isn't in one place. Why should your messaging be? Multi-channel campaigns build consistency, momentum, and give customers options to connect with your brand wherever they are. By working together in alignment, your channels don't compete, they amplify. So, mail isn't outdated, agencies are effective, and one channel rarely wins alone. With strategic marketing services at Polaris Direct, you get one team building multi-channel campaigns that move the needle and get results.